Today, I'll show you how to cancel a Webex meeting. Whether it's because plans have changed or you simply need to reschedule, knowing how to efficiently cancel a meeting in Webex can save you and your attendees from unnecessary confusion. Let's get started. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to webex.com. It's important to ensure you're logged into your Webex account. This will give you access to all your scheduled meetings and allow you to manage them properly. Once you're on the Webex homepage and logged in, look at the left-hand side of the screen. Here you'll find a menu with several options. Click on the Meetings tab. This section is your main hub for all things related to your scheduled meetings. It displays a list of upcoming meetings that you have either organized or been invited to attend. Next, find the specific meeting that you wish to cancel. If you have a long list of meetings, you might need to scroll a bit to locate it. Once you've found the meeting in question, click on it to bring up more details. This will open a window with options for managing the meeting. Now, you'll notice an option labeled Start a Meeting. This might seem a bit confusing since we're aiming to cancel, not start a meeting, but don't worry. Clicking on this option will actually allow you to enter the meeting details page, where further options are available. Once inside the meeting details, look for the Leave Meeting button. This is the action you'll want to take to effectively cancel the meeting. Clicking Leave Meeting essentially cancels your participation, and if you're the organizer, will cancel the meeting for all attendees. Make sure to confirm any prompts that ask if you're sure you want to leave, as this action is final. And there you have it. You've successfully canceled your Webex meeting. Remember, it's always courteous to inform your attendees about the cancellation ahead of time if possible. Sending a quick email or message can help prevent any confusion and keeps your communication professional and respectful. I hope this guide has been helpful. Canceling meetings might not be a daily task, but having the know-how to do it smoothly can be quite handy when the need arises. If you have any more questions or need further assistance with Webex or any other tools, feel free to leave a comment or check out our other tutorials. Thanks for watching and have a great day.